My cousin sent me a video. Guess he's on a trip. Wonder where he went. Wow! Look at that sunset.
Hi PuffyBab, guess what? I'm in Kota Kinabalu. We're heading into the mangrove forest now. To see the fireflies. They told us it's a 30-minute ride into the forest. Look, the fireflies are starting to appear. It's magical. Like a glowing Christmas tree. They said if you say Marimari, the fireflies will come. Wow, one just came to me.
It's so beautiful, like magic. Let's go together next time, okay?
Let's explore together.